What's up, YouTube? It's been a long time since I dropped a banger, but today I'm going to be pranking Vodafone. I'm just going to call them and tell them I'm calling from cemetery or mortuary owner. Mortuary. So stay.
Madam who come, and nobody go fi stop my shine.
Welcome to the Vodafone customer care line.
But I know if you access the internet also.
My name is Eric Gogbe, and I'm calling. I can't access internet, and I'm in the mortuary. I'm in the fridge.
You can't access the internet and then you're in the mortuary and the fridge.
Yes, mortuary fridge.
Why?
You're in the mortuary and the fridge.
Yes, I'm in the fridge. Why is there a problem?
No, there's no problem. I'm surprised that somebody who is in the fridge can be able to call us and then say they can't access the internet. We don't have any issue with it, okay? Have you checked to see if you have enough data on your account?
Yes. I'm in the fridge. Hades is even here.
What is it?
Hades.
Sorry?
Hades. Abonsan.
Phil, what is your name?
My name is Eric Gogbe.
Stay on the line for me. Let me check if you have enough data on your account, okay?
Okay, so I can access internet from the fridge.
Welcome to the Vodafone customer care line.
Mortuary.
Hello, good afternoon. Please, I'm here to your name and how may I assist you?
My name is Eric Gogbe. And
Your
I'm
name is Eric what?
Eric Gogbe.
Eric. Alright. Eric, please how may I assist you this afternoon?
I'm in the I'm calling from the mortuary, and then I'm in the fridge, but my network is not working.
You're calling from the net mortuary.
Yes.
Alright. Eric, I'm sorry about the connection. I'm sorry I'm unable to access to the network. Is that the same number? Is that the same number you're calling me with?
Yes, but I'm in the fridge.
You're in the fridge.
Yes, mortuary fridge.
You're in the mortuary fridge and want to access to the internet.
Yes.
I don't understand you.
I died yesterday, but I just resurrected. Hello.
He got you.
Hello. Yes. Are you scared?
Oh no.
I'm freezing here.
The precise is that you want to access to the internet.
Why don't dead people access the internet?
It's impossible. You know it yourself. Please, do you want me to assist you with the issue, or you just calling to make jokes or fun?